Hey guys, Tanvirsofficial here. So guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can download GCam for Xiaomi Mi Lite. So thanks to Mr. Invincible for requesting me to make a video about GCam. So let's start. And first of all, you have to open your browser. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to tell you something, that my device is not Mi Lite. So I'm using Huawei One A 2019 device, but I'm just showing you how to download the process. Okay, I'm just showing you the process, and I found this link. So you can see I searched for the download link, and I found it, and now I'm just showing you. So you'll find the link in the video description. I'm just showing you how you can download. I'm not downloading from my device. Okay, so here you can see that's the application, and that's the download pop-up. And when you will click to this link, it will be automatically start downloading. Okay, so that's easy to download, and you do not have to waste your time. So that's the application. Okay, just download it. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. And that's the GCam version 6.1, and that is for the Xiaomi Mi Lite. And okay guys, if you found this helpful, then don't forget to hit the subscribe and as well as the bell icon to get notification when we upload a new video. And thanks again for watching this video. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Or one thing, I'm just selling PayPal and Server Junkie accounts. If anyone want to buy a verified PayPal account or a Server Junkie account with 1 year of VPS connection or IP connection, can contact me in my Facebook page. I will give the link in the video description, and you can contact with me for verified PayPal account and verified Server Junkie account, which is linked to the PayPal account. Okay guys, so I'm just selling it, and you can contact me. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe.